Join me in learning how to make Garam Masala. Here are the following ingredients and the items you'll need. In a heated pan over medium-low heat, put the following: some whole cloves, cumin seeds, whole peppercorn, cinnamon stick, and some bay leaves. Dry roast them for 2 to 4 minutes or until they start to turn brown. Stir them to prevent burning. Then remove from heat and allow to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Then pour the dry roasted ingredients into the coffee grinder. Grind them completely into powder. Check for any unground ingredients and grind them again as needed. Detach the cup and scrape the bottom using a wooden stick or spatula. Add the cardamom powder. You may also use cardamom pods if available. Mix it until well blended. Enjoy the amazing aroma in your kitchen while making this. Then transfer the garam masala into a container. Here is my garam masala, now readily available for any dish that requires it. Enjoy!